What up, good people? It's your boy, man, coming to you live on a Saturday on a holiday weekend. I know y'all getting ready to barbecue and grill and all that, but I'm finna barbecue on these yield farming sites, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, down or whatever, got the market down and carrying on. With the whole market down, baby. We all in the same boat, but I ain't worried. DeFi bids, man. Hey, DeFi bids. The pre-sale went off without a hitch. They listed on Uniswap without a hitch. They on there now. And next up is the staking. That's coming next. And if it look like this, it's gonna be smooth and bright and purty and easy to use and carrying on. So hey, they got their thing coming. But anyway, let's get over to this Tron. I'm about to say Tron fishing because I'm looking at Tron yield farming, man. But anyway, so look, I'm gonna tell you what I do. You can do what you do. I'm gonna tell you how to do this thing, man. It's very simple. It doesn't matter what the prices are, man. You yield farming. Everybody, you're not trading. Price don't matter when you're trading. If you're not trading, price don't matter. You're yield farming. You know what I'm saying? Look at this right here. It's free money. That's all it is. It's free Tron. You can do one or two things with it. You harvest, get the Tron, go back into what you think is good, or you harvest and send the Tron to your Coinbase with ETH or whatever, and send it to your wallet. Cash it out. You know what I'm saying? There ain't two ways to do it, or hold it. I don't really hold Tron. You know what I'm saying? I always look, when I harvested out my last harvest, I got 75,000 Tron. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it next. You see what I'm saying? I'm going back in the I gotta figure out which one I want to go in. Now, salmon seem to be paying very well. You know what I'm saying? I already harvested. I got another 0.1. It may not seem like much, but you know how much Pearl is. You know what it is. So that's what I'm saying. Then you go over to the actual Pearl, and they show the stats or whatever. It'll pop up. Yeah, it's kind of slow, but it'll pop up. You see, I got 607 TIA. I keep saying TIA. What is TIA? Tia. What's the date of the girl named Tia? Dated a girl named Tia. Never mind. Anyway, I'm getting all off track. Anyway, man, let's see what we got going on right here, man. But when this TRX hills come, that might pump the price of Tron by itself. Everybody, you gotta do no liquidity staking. All you gotta do, deposit Tron and get Pearl. That's gonna be awesomely amazing. But right now, I'm in the TIA right here. Like I said, I just harvested and I almost got another 0.1. This is all in Pearl. I got 607 TIA. You know how much TIA is. Do the math. You know what I'm saying? So when I got that 75,000 Tron, I can say, well, I want to get some more TIA. I want to get up to 1,000 TIA. You know what I'm saying? You got to have a plan, man. You got to, whichever one you think is best. Some people like salmon. Some people like pearl. Some people like corn. Some people like carrot. I ain't in carrot, but some people like it. You know what I'm saying? I came out because it wasn't audited. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, I'm in this one. I'm in corn. I like corn. I particularly like corn. You know, it's very simple. You know what I'm saying? I'm in both of them. I'm in the mojito. This is the liquidity pool. You take your corn and your Tron, go on JustSwap, buy some corn, go to the liquidity pool, and then you stake your liquidity token. See, this is my liquidity token right here. And I got some more corn coming. And I'm staking Ink. I got both. These are only two that currently offering. As you can see, I got 2,500 Ink. You know how much Ink is. Like I say, do the math. Like, hey man. And so I just get free corn. Then I go to JustSwap and I sell it. As you can see, I got some DZI. I can sell that too. I got it all. You just come right here. You go to corn. You flip it around. I ain't got no 75,000 corn. What are you talking about? Do I? Oh, okay, I'm finna say, what the world? I keep selling my corn. Then, you know what I'm saying? Just check the price. Just put in one. That's the price. Corn is $8,799. Oh, not dollars. TRX. You know what I'm saying? You know. Now, if you didn't know nobody, look at it like this. If you didn't know how much it was before, you're just looking at that. That's a huge number. 8,000 Tron for one? You see, that's how you got to look at it. You can't look at it, man, it was 10,000. Erase your memory, man. You know what I'm saying? Just go by what it is. It's still great when you're farming it for free. You're farming it for free. You see what I'm saying? That's why when you see these 0.1, 0.2s, 0.3s, that's still good money at the end of the day. Let me see. Let me go to Pearl. See, I don't keep none of this stuff, man. I sell it into Tron and then make my next move. That's why when you see like a, let me see, point, I do point, like 0.2 Pearl. That's 8,000 Tron right there. You do that 2-3 times a day, bro. 2-3 times a day. And you tell me how much money that is. See what I'm saying? If you worry about the price, what the price? Oh, the price. It doesn't matter, bro. Just farm it. Sell it. Tron got up to 5 cents the other day. So you know it can. You know what I'm saying? Then you got your beast. You got your beast. I keep telling y'all, Tronchain. If you a Tronchain, you definitely ain't got nothing to worry about. You can do all kinds of stuff with Tron. Because you got this backbone right here, baby. Up to 135 million. That's in the contract. Not what was invested. 215 was invested. This is what's in the actual contract right now. 135 million. You know what I'm saying? I got 26,000 here I can get out. You know my other contract I got 24, 25 million, 25 million, 25,000. That's just what I do, man. I got these backbones so I don't worry. And you know the king of them all, the beast, T2X. You in the T2X, I don't even know what you in Tron for. How you in Tron and you in the T2X, bro? That don't even make no sense. So that's why I want to see if I see people like especially in the Telegram and they worrying about this, what you ain't a T2X. You can't be. You know what I'm saying? You a T2X, you ain't worried about nothing. Let's see, I got 1 million T2X staking. So far I got 23,000 Tron, but I got like about 10 more days on that. See how much I can get out of that. Probably get about 50,000, I don't know. I staked another 13,000. I'm getting 100 Tron so far to that. I just staked another 18,000. It ain't even, it's brand new, so it ain't even short up yet. I got 2,000 right here. I'm always going into the auction. Let me see. Let me see what that auction hitting for. Gotta wait for this thing to update itself. Come on, auction. Come on. There we go. Now, got to come on up in here. When I put it there, I'll put it at what we got it here? 774,000. Yeah, it's like gonna be another 1.2, 1.3 million day. So I just keep it low, keep that my same little 2,000. Feed the beast. That stuff add up, boy. You see, I already got over 1 million. That stuff add up, man. For real. You know what I'm saying? So come in the Telegram, man. You'll find out about all this stuff, man. Some new stuff I ain't even mentioning. You got to come in the Telegram to get to know what it is. You know what I'm saying? So salmon, awesome. Pearl, awesome. Corn, awesome. Carrot, it's still going, so it must be awesome too. You know what I'm saying? DeFi bids coming up. We got Just Swap hanging in there. They did some maintenance. Everybody was panicking. Oh Lord, Just Swap now. They did a little maintenance thing. They've been flawless ever since. Flawless. Come on here and check all your little prices, man. They got everything. I like the little homepage because they got all the ones I like. Even Just Swap. So, but yeah, man, that's how you do it, man. Let me see how much ink is right quick. 16, that's good. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what I mean. Look, 25. Look at that. My little 2,500 ink. That's worth 40,000 Tron. You see what I'm saying? Like, man, and I'm getting coin for free. I mean, I just have to keep telling y'all how to do this, man. It's so simple. Now, what was that? Come on down, fire alarm. Hey, anybody got a 9-volt battery? I need a 9-volt battery. That little chirping getting on my nerve. I need a 9-volt battery. Okay, anybody give your boy a 9-volt battery. Hold up, man. Liquidity provider fee. 7.5 ain't how much that is. Let me, hey, don't let me these fees try to sneak up now. 120 trial. Oh my God, I did a loan. God. Well, I ain't trying to start that, man. Anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Holla back at you, boy.